Hello everyone, let's do Leetcode 1 to sum. Let's look into the problem first. So given an array of integers and a target number, we want to return the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target. We can assume that each input is going to have exactly one valid solution. Make sure that we are not going to use the same element twice, and the answer can be in any order. If we look into this example here, the output is 0 and 1 because the numbers that add up to the target 9 are 2 and 7, which are respectively at index 0 and index 1. Same in this other example, the output is 1, 2, and that's because the numbers that add up to 6 are 2 and 4. Let's now look into the possible solutions on how to tackle this problem. Okay, so let's first start with the brute force solution. We are first gonna select the first number in the array, and then we're gonna check if any of the remaining numbers added to 2 are gonna be equal to the target 10. In this case, no number is gonna give us the desired result. We're then gonna move to the next number, it's 5. Same thing again, we're gonna check the remaining elements, add them to 5 and verify whether the target 10 can be found, but none of that is gonna happen with 5. Next number 7, in this case we're gonna try to add 3 to 7, which is gonna be equal to our target 10. That's how we can find the result array using brute force. So in this case it's gonna be 2 and 3. But as you can see, if the input array is gonna be large, this solution is not very efficient, and the time complexity for this solution is O of n squared. A more optimal solution can be achieved using a hash map in this case. Let's look into the linear time solution using the same example as before. In the linear time solution, we will just need to go through the array once. So let's first select the first element of the array, 2. We're gonna check if the number that added to 2 is gonna give us the target. It's actually in the hash map. So in this case, we're gonna compute 10 minus 2, and we're gonna look whether 8 is in the hash map. In this case, it's not. So we're gonna add 2 to the hash map. Is 2 and the index of 2 is 0. Now we move to the next element in the array, which is 5. We wanna find the complement, which is the number that's subtracted to the target is gonna give us the solution we're looking for. So in this case, is 5 in the hash map? No, it's not. So we add 5, we put the index, and we move to the next element. 7, so is 3 in the hash map? No, it's not. Let's add 7 to the hash map, and let's evaluate the last number. In this case is 3. Same approach as before, 10 minus 3 is 7. We are looking for 7. Is 7 in the hash map? Yes, it is. So we now know that our result is the current value. So we want the index of 3, which is 3. And we are gonna retrieve the index of 7 from the hash map, in this case 2. And here we have the result. Let's now translate this into code. We will first need the hash map. In Python we can use a dictionary to achieve that. We now need to go through each element in the array. So I'm gonna write a for loop here. So now we need to calculate the complement. So the complement is going to be the number that added to the current value we are evaluating in the array is going to add up to the target value. So this is how we will do it. Declare a new variable diff, and we want target minus the current number we are evaluating in the array. We now need to check is diff in the hash map. So if it is in the hash map, that's good, we have found our solution. So we're going to return array with the index of the complement and the index of the current value we are evaluating in the array. Otherwise, we're just going to add the current element in the hash map. So let's see if this works. Okay, sorry. It's nums. Let's submit.